Hi, my name is Christine McMahon, and I am here at Giostar, which I'm so excited about. Due to having a couple immune deficiency diseases, one is progressive multiple sclerosis, and the other is systemic sarcoidosis. It usually goes into remission for 90% of people, but unfortunately 10% it doesn't, and it becomes a killer, which is what is happening to me right now. I have 65% lung capacity, and now I've been diagnosed with acute renal failure, which is in 4th stage, so I'm just right below going on dialysis. That hit me pretty quickly. So my blood test 6 months ago showed a high level in my kidneys, and now it's at a dangerous level. I also have neurosarcoidosis, so it mimics multiple sclerosis with the symptoms. So my cognition is affected, my memory, vertigo, dizziness, equilibrium. I've had over a dozen mini strokes due to this disease, and I've had 2 heart attacks, and the progressive MS put me in a wheelchair due to being put on chemo for 1.5 years, and then immunosuppressive drugs like Gilenya, which also damaged my heart. I have been researching the last 7 years stem cell, and so I'm seeing top doctors, and they dissuaded me from doing stem cell because there's not enough clinical trials for MS, whereas there's been plenty for Parkinson's and leukemia, and so insurance pays for that, but they don't for multiple sclerosis and systemic sarcoidosis. Fortunately, Giostar is helping me because they are able to, by law, the United States, the FDA only allows a certain allotment of stem cells, which is fine for joint repair, not neurological diseases. Whereas here in Mexico or any of their other treatment centers around the world, because this is one of 5 of what they have, they are allowed to give more. And so today I was given 35 million stem cells up my spine through a spinal tap, as well as through a transfusion in my blood with exosomes, which feeds the stem cells. And so that should start to work right away. I'm still actually getting off the anesthesia, so I'm a little dopey right now. But from other people that have had this, that I've seen for testimonies, the pain goes right away within that day, which I'm normally 24 hours worth of pain, and it keeps me up at night, and it's just really not a very bearable disease. It's just really hard. So I'm really looking forward to the stem cell treatment working, because this is really my last hope. You know, the doctors just in the US just want to treat it with chemo again, which then I researched it, and the chemo they wanted to put me on is the chemo that destroys the kidney. So they really have nothing to help me. And so this is a huge deal that Giostar is here to help me. And I know I go to the best hospitals in the United States, but their cleanliness here is top notch. I've never seen a cleaner facility than their surgical room. I was highly impressed. And also the director was right in there with me, Dr. Daniel, and he comforted me because I've had blood patches with spinal taps. And it went very well. The anesthesiologist did an excellent job, and there was very little pain, which I was shocked. And also I went in their hyperbaric oxygen chamber, which gave me 75% more oxygen to prepare the cells inside my body. That I tried not to hyperventilate. It was not very fun. But I know that was a great preparation for that, and my lungs felt better. It hurts to breathe all the time, and it didn't hurt to breathe yesterday, and that was huge. I'm very impressed with the professionalism here, and I picked Giostar because the doctor who founded Giostar is in charge of stem cell research at UC Irvine and USD Med School, University of San Diego Med School. And I'm from California, and I know those schools, and they're excellent. He has the most awards out of any of the other doctors who are part of other stem cell treatment centers in the world. And so that was the other reason why I picked Giostar. Well, in 10 years, if I'm alive, praise the Lord for Giostar and for the research that's been done by all the chemists and biologists for stem cell. So I can't even tell you how grateful I am.